Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rishita. If you're new here, make sure that you subscribe, please. And for today's video, I'm gonna be doing my first times. Uh, you know, previous to previous video, I just revealed most of your secrets. If you remember, if you haven't watched it, just go check that video out. So in that video, I revealed all of your secrets which you guys have asked me, and in this video, I'm gonna be answering my secrets. It takes a lot of courage, guys, but yes, I'm gonna answer all my secrets and in the form of my first times. A few days ago I posted a story on my Instagram handle, which is here, you can check that out. And in that handle I wrote that if you want to know my first times, you just write me what do you want to know. So I got like a hell lot of messages, but I have selected like few so I can just answer them. So here's my laptop, I'm just gonna see them and answer you guys. So are you guys excited? Because I am. So the first question that I got was my first time when I did makeup. Um, as far as I know, I did my makeup when I was in nursery class because we used to have annual functions there, and in every annual function there was like a trend to make every kid Joker. बढ़िया था गुरु. So I was like one of the victims. So yes, I did my first makeup when I was in school in nursery class, but it was like when I was willing to do makeup, if you meant that. So I did my first makeup when I was in 6th or 7th standard, like by self. Before that I had no intention of doing makeup because my skin was very nice, and once I reached my puberty I started having pimples and all kind of stuff. So I started doing makeup. Next one, my first time horror experience. Okay, I've had a lot of horror experience which doesn't have anyone apart from me in it because there were no ghosts. I've never seen a ghost. But if you've asked me my horror experience, as far as I remember, when I was, at my old home, we shifted like few years back here. So when I was at my old home, like there was one stairs, वो बहुत ही पुराना घर था. So there were like stairs just in front of washroom जो कि ऊपर जाती थी. And that time which movie was released, let me just remember. Yeah, it was Bhool Bhulaiya which released, like उसी time पे release हुई थी Bhool Bhulaiya. So Manjulika was trending everywhere. And I was like, मुझे बहुत डर लगता था. Like पायल की चमचम होती थी ना, तब भी I used to get scared, like Manjulika is here kind of feeling. So my dadi used to wear payal that time, now she doesn't wear, but like that time she used to wear payals. So I was just in the washroom, and suddenly somebody came out from the room, and that chum 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 came. Like it was surely dadi who came. I was like, shit, Manjulika aa gayi. I locked myself in the bathroom for 3 fucking hours. And I didn't come out just because I was so scared that Manjulika is waiting for me outside ready to eat. So yeah, that was the most horror experience I've ever had, which has no one except me in it. The next question is my first time when I ever got drunk. Okay, I have not. My life is so boring. I have not done anything like that, but I once tried Sting. Like in my hostel days I tried Sting. It does not have alcohol in it, but as far as I remember it was like an energy drink. So yeah, that was the most adult drink that I've ever. Adult beverage, maybe, what do you call it, whatever. The next one is my first crush. So my first crush was I had a lot of crushes on guys, but my first one was I guess my first crush was, okay, my crushes go like this. ऐसे change होते हैं. The time I see a new guy, just now this is my crush. And अगर थोड़े ही मिनट बाद I find someone on the guy who's like more smart, I feel like, oh, that's my crush. I get the vibes, but my first crush was like when I was in 3rd grade. Yes, he was 1 year senior to me. I'm not gonna tell his name because I don't remember his name. I just remember him by his appearance. I was like, yeah, quite old. After that I had like no crush. I don't know. Okay, moving on the next one. It goes like, okay, let me just put that down. Okay, the next one is my first time when you have gone to the hostel. How have you felt?
बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी.
Okay, when I went to hostel, I was like 14 years old, quite small, and I never thought that I would even survive in that environment because I've never been stayed far away from my family members, and I'm like totally dependent on them for everything, for washing my clothes, still providing me food, everything. Like every kid does that, but yeah, same goes with me. So my first experience when I went there was that like I never imagined that I would survive in that environment where I have to wash my own clothes, eat by myself and do my own stuff because I was never used to that. And I was like kind of very nostalgic throughout the year. Like yes, I felt that I'm just gonna die. I'll not live. I'll not be able to live there because you know it's like when you move to some new surrounding, it gives you some another vibes. I also agree that it was my decision that I really want to go to hostel, but it was just like a bold decision that I took. But after that, I realized that I have taken some big step. Now I'm leaving my home. I have to wake up early, like 4 or 5:30 in the morning, and I have seen Tare Zameen Par, so I was like quite traumatized by seeing that movie during my going periods to hostel. So I was like, I'm gonna also face all those difficulties which Ishan faced in Tare Zameen Par. Because I was like a very poor kid, to be honest. So coming back to the point, I just dived deep into the topics. But the question is, how have you felt? So I felt nostalgic. I also felt sad that I'm leaving my home. But I was also very excited and ready for opportunities that I want to explore there. So yes, it was like a mixed feeling. I kept on crying for like 6 months probably, and I used to count my days. It's like okay, अब 3 दिन बचे घर जाने के लिए, अब 2 दिन बचे घर जाने के लिए. Even and when the time comes near, I used to count hours also. I used to keep calling my mom and dad, where are you? When are you going to approach me? Kind of stuff like that. But it was fun. Like I really enjoyed, and I feel that my best part of my life was in hostel. But it's like whenever you get an opportunity, instead of cursing it, just try to get into it and enjoy the maximum from it, because that's where you learn things from. In your comfort zone, or like whenever you're in your comfort zone, you're not going to learn anything. That's for sure. You're not going to learn anything. You'll be like completely dependent on everyone. Next one is, when was the first time you fell hard for someone?
Control.
I never fell hard for someone because I never focused myself too much into that sort of environment. I was like more into making friends, moving and learning something about life and upgrading myself. So I never fell hard for someone. Never. The next one is, when you knew that you have a knack for influencing.
Oh my God! Wow!
To be honest, if I'm gonna be an influencer, then definitely half of the population who will get influenced by me will be sleeping like for 10 to 15 hours a day, because I do sleep a lot and I don't personally feel that I can influence someone. It's just that I really want to be original with what I am in my life, and I want to put the best of myself in front of camera as well. So that's what I feel. I don't get any vibe like I can influence anyone, but I would really be glad if I could just bring some changes in someone's life. So yeah, but thanks, I did feel that I have a knack for influencing. The next one is, first app that you check when you wake up in the morning. The first app that I check in the morning is obviously WhatsApp. I check my WhatsApp all the time because that's my habit. I don't know why, but I usually check it. Though there are rare people who text me, but yes, I do check my WhatsApp all the time. The next one is, first plane ride you ever went on. Like my first plane ride was from Bombay to Bangalore. Yes, I guess that was my first plane ride, and I had that ride when I was in 6th grade. Yeah, 6th or 5th, yeah, maybe. I'm not sure, but maybe in that duration. How can I remember the exact time? It's in my past. I don't even remember what I ate yesterday. It's quite hard to remember things like that. My first cooking experience. If you really want to know my first time cooking experience, it's drastic and it is like hilarious, I would say. We again going back to the old days. मैं बहुत छोटी थी उस time पर. I was like kind of 10 years old, probably 10 or 11, 12 years old. So my mom told me that put your hand on mixer and just grind the chutney. So what I did was, like instead of listening to my mom, I ignored her, and what I did was that I didn't keep my hand over the cap of the mixer, and I said that it won't pop out. I know that mixer very well, and I fixed it out. So my mom was like, okay, see. And once I just on the mixer, my whole kitchen was, painted with chutney. It was so bad experience I had. I got so much of scolding, but yes, I had the privilege to save myself because I was small. Okay, the next one is my first ever cell phone that I ever got. Like, I got my first cell phone after my 12th grade because 9th to 12th I was in hostel, so I was not in a need of phone. And when I used to come here, I used to use my mom's phone, and I was never addicted to phones, like kind of stuff till then. So I got my first phone when I was in my first year, probably, yes. The next question is my first time pet. I don't have any pet because my parents think that it's like it would be enough they could handle my siblings and me. So we don't have any pet at home, but I wish I could own a cat or maybe a fish. I always wanted a fish. Okay, moving on the next one. My first piercing and when did I get it? My first piercing was when I was in 9th grade. Like, I just came in my 9th. And when did I get it? Yeah, my first piercing was in 9th. When did I get it? Like, both are the same questions. So this was my first piercing and my last one. After that, I don't feel like I need to put more shades into my ear. I'm enough with that. So I have only one piercing, and that's here. And when did I get it? I already answered that. Cool, moving on the next one. It is my first tattoo. I haven't had any tattoo yet, and I'm not gonna get any because I don't feel like I need to put something permanent on my body. I don't like artificial stuffs, so I'm not gonna put any tattoo on. I don't have any future plans as well for tattoos. I feel I don't like tattoos. Next one. Okay, my laptop's battery is low. The next one is my first person that you ever text when something happens wrong. Obviously, it's my best friend Mahi. I text her everything. Like, every shit that I do, I tell her. Next, my biggest impact thing on my life. Okay, my first time when I had something that made a biggest impact on my life. When I went to hostel, that was like a changing point or turning point in my life, because then I realized that there's a sense of independence also in the world, and you need to be independent. You need to know how you can do yourself out and how you can face the environment and live alone, face some difficulties. Because when we are at home, we have our parents behind us, following us, and they just protect us, they cover us from all the evils and from all the mistakes. But when you live alone, you have all the responsibilities and duties over you. You are responsible for whatever action you're gonna take. So it's like you become more responsible, independent, and your views towards future and your perceptions about life keeps on changing. Yeah, that's all. So yeah, it was like when I went to hostel. Sorry. The next one is my first time favorite cartoon. जब मैं बहुत छोटी थी तो obviously I can't remember the favorite cartoon, like the first cartoon which I watched. But as far as I remember, the first cartoon that I enjoyed was Dragon Tales. I love that cartoon. I don't know how many of you people like still know that cartoon, but I used to wake up early in the morning to just watch that cartoon. I was like so addicted to it. The next one is, I guess it's probably the last one, I feel. Let me just check. Yeah, it's the last one. My first odd smell that you can enjoy. First odd smell that I can enjoy is like petrol. Obviously, it's petrol. I used to enjoy new erasers smells also, like, yeah, जब भी मैं कोई नया eraser लेकर आती थी ना, I used to keep it in my hand so that I could just absorb the smell. It was so fascinating for me. But yes, erasers, petrol, yes, these are the two things which I was addicted to. Yes. So guys, yeah, this was all about my first times. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you enjoyed this, give it a big thumbs up, and also let me know like which one resembles to you, or was there anything which resembles to you as well. So I would be like glad to know about that. And I hope you are keeping safe. I just got vaccinated like yesterday, so you know, I'm not feeling quite well, so I just thought that let's just not film a video on my first times. It would be fun filming it, like, you know, whenever I make such kind of videos I learn more about myself and I'd explore something different about me. So yeah, it was good time, I guess. Yes, I'll catch you up soon. Till then, take care, stay inside home, stay safe, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel before leaving. Bye.